Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajatla Conrad Sangma mentakasi kahnyo tarik uyayong arhaja apusan ula Leit Kjat Pyngngad ha Rhododendron trek kabadan ha oper Shillong. Ka Rhododendron trek kabadan ha oper Shillong kalalong kum kajaka bu spa jong kijing Leit jungo perthei ka history bat kajing itanat jong ka Mariang. Kadan ha Kajatla Meghalaya kaba itanat bah. Kani ka trek kamdei tang kajaka ri tingen na kabanta kinong Leit jungo perthei Henry kadeiru kajaka kabadan kambha ha ka history. Kini kijing tei hindai ki yeng kum kajing pensisha ya kajing long bakong san jong kajaka ha ka portma. Kani kajaka kadei kabadan buon jat kijing thung jing tep bat ki marat ki mereng kaba pelong ya ka kum ka paradise na kabanta ki riu Iaid ya ka Mariang. Katrek kabapau nam khamtam na kabenta ki sentiu Rhododendron kiba itanat kiba pho hasilinter kalintiyat bat kiba pelong ya kajaka kaba itanat bha. Katrek kapan pauru ya ka jingsa jong ka jingtei jongki banari bilat kentop ya ki kinro bapin scam kiba pin I ya ka jing tibet jong ka jingtei jongki nong sanchar pharing kitei ki jingtei kilala bansha ya ka jing tenju jong kapor bat kidang yai beteng ban pen sotanat ya ki nong wan jingo kai. Ya kani ka jing Leit trek jong Menteri Rangba Kajatla layo I bakadei ka sinjam ka bakong san da ka sarkar bansei madan ya kispa barius pa jong Kajatla Meghalaya ha ka culture bat ka Mariang. Kani ka jing thumu lakmi linti ban kintiu ya ka kam jungo kai perthei ha kani ka than ka ba ai ya ka jing kershan ka badan kambha ya ka yo ka kot jong ka than. Kani ka jaka kalong ka nuksa ka batinshan jong ka Meghalaya ka barius pa ha ka culture bat ka Mariang. Da ka jinglong ka bakarpang ha ka khana pateng ki jingtei bat ka jing itanat jong ka Mariang. Kani ka trek ka ka jaka ka bakring ya bun kinong jungo kai bat ki riu Iaid Mariang. Kat ba ka sarkar ka dang beteng ban pin priang ya kani ka jaka ka badang duna ki batip ya ka. Lakmi ilinti bakan salong ka jaka jungo kai perthei ka bakong san ha kani ka than.
Obey. Great. And Mr. Reddy, I've been told that this area and this forest has got some very, very unique species of trees. So is that true?
It's very true, sir. In fact, this part of Meghalaya has been recognized as cradle of endemic species by J.D. Hooker way back in 1850s, very documented. And we find that many of the endemic tree species, plant species found here, even rhododendron species or betula species, several species, sir. We just have few specimens of the world left here. They're preserved. So they are endemic species on verge of extinction. But we have tried, forest department tried its best to maintain pristineness of the area. So those species which are so rare and threatened.
So our PES program is also helping
yes, sir.
us to maintain this, right?
The PES program we will start implementing, sir, and then
in this area also.
Yes, in this area also.
But we have already covered 55,000 hectares.
Sir.
Our target is 1 lakh now.
Sir.
So in that 1 lakh, we should include all of this.
We'll include all this.
So Greg, what are anything special you want to mention about this particular trek?
This trek is about 4 kilometers long approximately, and it falls under the forest department. That's why it's been preserved well. And this trek is very well known for the locals. A lot of locals in the weekends, they come here to just walk, jog. Even this morning, a lot of people we saw walking around. And also this trail is also really upcoming for cyclists. A lot of people like to ride their cycles here, so it's a really good trail that we have very close to Shillong. Yeah.
Thank you so much. So we are here today in the Rhododendron trek, and we are here with a full team just going through this entire historic trek. As you know that this has been a route which has been used even by the British in the earlier times, and it's in a way a very not only just a beautiful trek, but it's a very historic trek. On the way you would actually see bunkers that were used during the World War, which are still visible and can be seen very clearly. We also have seen walls that have been created during the British time. These are retaining walls, very systematically done, and again another historic location. And more importantly, if you see the entire flora and fauna out here and overall the kind of greenery that's there, it's really a beautiful area to trek, especially right in the, you can say, heart of the city. And it's a very important source, of course, of the water also, and the quality of air in Shillong. So therefore it's a very important location, beautiful trek, and I must encourage all of you, the citizens of the state as well as the tourists, to please come and experience this particular trek. You will really enjoy it. It's very beautiful and a great experience. You're getting the wall, right? British time.
Yeah. Remember that
Yeah.
that office there? Outside that office was Queen British. She
This
was
will be a small,
Yeah.
small
it's
plaque on this also.
yes, working by horse and
Yeah,
it's a
okay.
horse ride.
Wow. This plaque also here, you should make it with a QR code option, no? So it gives a quick response. Yeah,
Okay,
response.
So some rock iron benches.
You can think of it, but as I said, the more you can put natural.
Minimum.
So stones would be best.
Just a layer of a
Without
stone on
cement.
top of it.
Yeah.
Yes, just
Minimum cement, but maybe stone, chena
Just
stone or
natural,
something
natural.
natural. Yeah.
So
Or
just
stone
like
from here only if there's available. Just I don't know, whatever is natural, wood or stone. No cement. No? Yeah, that's the only part that should be there. But
flowering is done now. The new leaves are coming.
not only middle. Look at the seal, no? Look at that side. That's it. Come, shot from far only, see? Come here. Tell us what is the history behind.
So these are the reminiscence of the bunkers that used in the old World War. That's what the people they said here. And there are more, especially this whole entire hill. You can see There are still ruins there. But if you go further, there are holes that they dug quite deep. But now it's filled up, but you can still see the holes there. Yeah. And there are plenty of rhododendron trees.
Yes, absolutely. So we are developing this place, right? You know that, right?